Horses and riders are generally permitted on roads in New South Wales, subject to certain regulations and safety considerations. In New South Wales, the laws about horses and riders on roads can be found in the Road Rules, which are legislated under the Road Transport Act 2013. These laws outline the rules and responsibilities for both drivers and riders to ensure the safety of all road users. Specifically, the Road Rules, titled Riding Animals, addresses the requirements and guidelines for horse riders using public roads. You can access the Road Rules for New South Wales online through the NSW legislation website or the Roads and Maritime Services (RMS) website.
When a driver meets a horse and rider when traveling on the road, it is important to reduce your speed to ensure you have adequate time to respond to any kind of unanticipated movement. Slowing down your car enables you to maintain better control of your vehicle and be prepared to stop if necessary. If you're driving at 60 km per hour and instantly come across a horse and rider in front, you should reduce your speed to 40 km per hour or even lower to securely navigate around them. Horses can be unforeseeable animals, and unexpected movements or noises can stun them, possibly triggering accidents. For that reason, it's vital to maintain a secure distance from the horse and rider to prevent spooking the horse or causing any disturbance. If you're driving behind a horse and rider, maintain a substantial distance to allow them enough space to steer safely. Prevent tailgating or driving too slow behind them, as this might trigger anxiety for the horse and increase the risk of an accident.
If you need to pass the horse and rider, do so gradually and carefully, ensuring you leave lots of space in between your car and the horse. Use your indicators to indicate your intent to pass and wait for a clear chance to overtake safely. Example 3. When passing a horse and rider on a slim road, make sure there is no oncoming traffic and the horse knows your location. Pass at a slow, consistent speed, maintaining a risk-free distance to lessen any possible disruption. While it might look like a warning gesture, sounding your horn can shock the horse and rider, possibly causing them to respond unexpectedly and increasing the danger of a crash. Therefore, it's generally advised to avoid utilizing your horn unless absolutely essential for safety reasons. Example 4. If the horse appears agitated or uncomfortable because of your presence, use caution and be prepared to stop if necessary. Only sound your horn as a last option if you believe it's essential to notify the rider of your presence without stunning the horse. In conclusion, when coming across a horse and rider on the road, it's essential to prioritize safety by reducing, maintaining a risk-free distance, and exercising caution when passing. By adhering to these guidelines, drivers can help to ensure the safety of both the horse and the rider, along with themselves and various other road users.